Russia's military just took drone warfare to a new level. This week, they unveiled a system that lets them launch attack drones from moving mini-trucks. Yeah, moving. Not just stuck on a runway or in a field, these drones can now roll out, take off, and strike, all while the truck never stops. Okay, so what does that even mean? Well, normally launching a drone takes time. You need a solid base, good weather, and ideally, nobody shooting at you. But with this new setup, Russian forces can drive their trucks closer to the front lines, launch drones on the go, and bail out before anyone can target them. It's hit and run, but with flying robots. The whole world is watching this. Military analysts from the US to China are paying close attention because this tactic could totally reshape how wars are fought. If drones can be launched quickly from anywhere, it's way harder to predict where attacks might come from. But there's a catch. These moving launchers aren't invincible. Trucks are still vulnerable to airstrikes, landmines, or just getting stuck in the mud. And launching drones from a moving vehicle? That's a technical nightmare. The drones need to be rugged, reliable, able to handle vibrations, wind, and whatever chaos the battlefield throws at them. And it's not just Russia. Other countries are racing to adapt either by copying the tech or finding ways to jam or shoot down these drones before they strike. Some nations are working on their own mobile launchers, and others are focused on anti-drone systems that can detect and neutralize threats in real time. So, how is the world reacting? Honestly, there's a mix of anxiety and excitement. Some see it as the next step in a long-running tech race. Others worry that making drones easier to launch will make wars even more unpredictable and deadly. One thing's for sure, the battlefield is getting a lot more mobile. And whether we like it or not, the age of truck-launched drones is here. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.